In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do the push-up exercise. And whilst a very common exercise, it is one that's commonly done wrong. So one of the main mistakes on a push-up, people often get themselves into the right position. So they come onto their tiptoes, hands just outside shoulder width. And then from this position, once they're on their tiptoes, they start to bring their hips down as well as bend the arms. So it turns into this horrible motion where almost the chest comes up and then the hips come up in two separate parts. So what I want you to do, with your feet hip width apart, keep on your tiptoes. I want you to imagine you're in a plank position. So you're trying to keep a nice neutral spine. So from here, keeping that neutral spine, your hips and your chest are going to come down at the same time until you reach the floor and back up at the same time. So hips down and chest down, and back up. Hips down and chest down, nice and slow, you're controlling the motion, and back up. Whilst you're doing that, you're trying to keep your core nice and tight. You're looking for that nice, straight position with your back. What you can do as well is you can start to record your repetitions if you're not sure how you're doing it. Just record yourself doing a couple of push-ups, and then you can see your hip position in relation to your chest.